Hey my darlings, welcome to Hdlacewig mode where I share all things fabulous honey. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Hdlacewig and thank you for joining me today. So darlings, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. My handle is at Hdlacewig mode. I'll share it on the screen for you now, and also follow me on TikTok. I use the same username. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below and say hey to your girl, okay? Today's video is sponsored by Hairvivi. If you don't know Hairvivi, they're an amazing hair company which offers glueless wigs, okay? They make some of the best wigs and I'm here for it. So today I will be actually installing this gorgeous unit that I'm wearing, and I will be giving you all the teas on how to get it looking so natural and gorgeous. So make sure to stay tuned so that we can check out this hair together. There we go. Oh, perfecto. Perfecto. The reason why I love Hairvivi wigs is of the capability of the wig actually fitting the head perfectly. They have this new innovation for the wig to actually fit the human head perfectly, and look at the way this is sitting. And this is a glueless wig, okay, which means that it saves you time. It fits perfectly, especially around the forehead and the hairline. It absolutely fits perfectly. The lace itself, can you see the details, babe? Can you see the details? It has been, the baby hairs are insane. It literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp, but can you see that? I'll show you from different angles. So there we go, from the side, middle. I just need to hot comb it down, and then from the side, and here we are, we have the back. I'm just going to show you the construction of this wig. It is absolutely perfect. The cap has been made to perfection. So as you can see, I've not even cut the ear area, but look at my ear is there, and we have this part coming out. Look at that. So this is the close-up of the details. As you can see, the construction has been made to perfection. And this is a 13x6, and it has been cleaned, bleached, and it's a HD pre-plucked wig. It also features an elastic band inside, which I absolutely love. It makes it so much easier to adjust it to fit your head perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead with the Cocoa Naughty by Fenty Beauty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this. I've gone in with my powder. Can you see? And it has blended in a lot more. So darlings, I went and got ready and did my makeup. If you want to see my makeup look, I'll leave a video down below, and I'll also link it for you so that you can check it out. But we're going to continue on the hair because I really want to style it, give it some really cute bouncy curls for the party season. I just want to cut some baby hairs and flatten this part down. A good technique to flatten the side is just to pull it. Can you see that? It's just flatten it down. So pull it inwards like that. So I'm just gonna literally cut some baby hairs. This is gonna allow us to have more of a natural look. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit. like that. So I'm gonna take some mousse now. Let me take off my ring. I'm gonna take some mousse and I'm gonna just lay down the baby hairs. And I'm gonna take my Hairvivi comb or brush, the tooth comb. I'm not good at doing baby hairs, but we're gonna try. And I feel like this look is really easy. Great for beginners, because I'm definitely a beginner when it comes to this. And I think this look is great for the party season. And what I love about these wigs is these wigs are great for people that are always on the go. So if you're always on the go, then this wig is for you, because it comes ready. I'm just doing extra bits because I'm extra. It comes ready and all you have to do is cut the lace and put it on your head. It's already plucked and it's already bleached for you. I'm always on the go. I don't like wigs that are too high maintenance. I'm just gonna use my headband here to hold my baby hairs down, and this is gonna help it to stay down. Also going to use my hot comb just to comb it down, because I feel like it looks a little bit bumpy at the top. For me, For me. So I'm just gonna hot comb it down. So my darlings, this is a 13x6 Hdlacewig wig. It has been pre-plucked and bleached as well, and it's ready to install. And it's a glueless wig. Has been made with a new technology to fit every head shape, which I think is amazing. So now I want more of a defined curls. Like the hair at the minute, it's wavy, but I want it to be more curly. So I guess like a curly wavy look that I want the curls to be more defined. So I'm just gonna go ahead and restyle it for you, so that you can see how I style my hair. And this is like my signature bouncy curls that I always do. So this is how I do it basically. I love it. It's my signature look, especially around this party season. I love this hair. It's super soft. And this look is great for beginners. It's great for date night. It's quick and easy. Quick and easy. This should take you like 10 minutes to do. You want a bamba? You want to roll with the big boys? You want to kitty kitty? Skitty. Hey, you want a bamba? Don't forget, I'm going to have all the details for Hairvivi and this wig in the description box for you, so that you can check it out. And I have a discount for you as well. I'll leave it here on the screen, so make sure to check it out. Oh, I burnt myself. Oh, this is crazy. Guys, I'm not a pro at curling this hair. I have my own technique which works for me, okay? So please don't come for me. Okay. Perfect. loves. So I've gone ahead and curled the hair to how I wanted it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove my band so that we can see what the hairline is looking like. So, moment of the truth. Drum rolls. Okay. Ooh, baby. Okay. Okay. What you saying, boo? What you saying? What are we saying about this hair? Honey, this is Glueless, okay? 13x6 Glueless unit by Hairvivi. Hdlace, okay? Look, this looks like my skin, okay? Everything is laid to the gods. Oh, honey. Oh, slay queen. This is perfect for date night, y'all. This is perfect for date night, for Christmas. Glueless with the new innovation technique. The lace literally fits any head shape and it's made to lay flat on any head, which I think is amazing. Obviously we've cut the baby hairs because you know I love me some baby hairs. What do we think? Oh, it's getting hot in here. I love. What's that thing on TikTok? Oh honey, nobody needs to know. Nobody needs to know. Look. Oh, it's a Glueless unit. Ah! Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you have enjoyed watching my Hairvivi quick and easy install for date night, for Christmas, for the party season. Let me know what you think of this gorgeous wig. Don't forget that all the details will be down in the description box. Again, this was a 13x6 Hdlacewig wig and it has a pre-plucked hairline and also contains an elastic band inside, which is great for adjusting the band to your desired fit. And I'm here for it. The hair itself is very silky and bouncy, as you can see, and I love Hairvivi for this because all their wigs can be worn glueless, which is amazing. So find the details down below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the wig. I'd love to know.